What is star anise? Star anise is the star-shaped fruit of an evergreen plant known scientifically as Illicium verum. As the name suggests, star-shaped, radiating between 5 and 10 pointed boat-shaped sections, about 8 on average. Tough-skinned and rust-colored, they measure up to 3 centimeters long. The fruit is picked before it can ripen, and dried. Originating in southern China, star anise has a licorice or anise-like flavor, which comes from the spice's essential oil, anethole. It is used widely in Chinese cooking and is one of the 5 spices in Chinese 5-spice powder. Traditionally used as a spice and also as a healing herb, star anise appears to have medicinal properties that endow it with significant health benefits. The stars are available whole, or ground to a red-brown powder. Buy high-quality star anise. What are you waiting for?